Welcome to Module 15, and like night follows day, we're going to implement the feature we've just implemented on our API, and we're going to implement that on our client side, and we're going to add the client-side attendance feature here. So in this module, and it's a fairly brief one, we're going to add attendances to the client side of our application, of course. And we're also going to look at our TypeScript interfaces because we're returning new data now. We're returning attendees, so we're going to need an interface for that. And we're also going to add additional properties to our activity interface purely for what we're returning from our API, and something that's very specific to our client side so that we can conditionally show and hide certain features of our application. And let's just take a look at a before and after. And before we've implemented this functionality, obviously we don't have anything for our attendees, and all of our functionality doesn't currently work. We can't really click on any of our join activity, cancel activity, or manage events, or anything like that. And all of our attendees are just static data just now. And if we take a look at the after picture, then what we can see is that each of our activities now has attendees. And if we click on an activity and view it, we can now see that the static data has been replaced with not static data. And as the currently logged in user, we're able to join and cancel our attendance at an activity. So this is where we're going with this, and let's start implementing this functionality.